time I wear that shoes, I always feel like a princess. You know how Cinderella lost her shoe at the ball, and this was the type of heel that they used in the cartoon. Hi guys, so I wanted to do a quick review of Public Desire. Kind of felt like Public Desire was like stalking me on Instagram, and I saw all these shoes and I kind of got caught up. So for my birthday I decided to treat myself to some new heels. I'm a girly girl in every sense of the word when it comes on to fashion. Love me some heels, even though I don't go nowhere to wear them. But let's get into this review of Public Desire. If you're wondering, I wear a woman's 9. I have very wide feet and I like my shoes to be comfortable. First pair of shoes, and these are the shoes that my husband claims they're the Flintstone shoes. Very disrespectful, okay? But these are from Public Desire. All the shoes are in a size 10 because Public Desire is a UK based shoe website. So if you normally shop from Ego, if you have a wide feet, you know you have to go up a size. So all the shoes are in a size 10 just for comfortability's sake, especially with my wide feet. This one is the only flats that I got and I absolutely love them. Every time I wear these out, people are always staring at my foot. Recently I went to go get my feet done. I went to go get a pedicure, and the guy that did my feet was asking me where I got these, and he's Asian, so I told him exactly where I got them. So these are very nice. They're super nice, they're comfortable, and these are like a step up from your regular slides. I actually live in my Adidas slides, so I decided I would get some cuter slides for when I want to dress up a little bit. I can definitely wear these and they're comfortable. Some people may say they look ugly. I think they're cute. Whatever, they're very, very comfortable, I must say that. These red ones right here, I actually wore these in an outfit for my birthday. It was the black outfit, and I'm actually selling the white version to that outfit. If you want it, it's in a large. I've seen everybody and their mom in that outfit on Instagram, so I guess it's really popular. I have an extra one that I bought which was in white, and I wore the black and still have tags and everything on it. So if you want it, hit me up, I'll definitely ship it to you. I wore these with that black outfit, and I'll insert a picture here. And this is actually from Public Desire. I wish I went up another size and got an 11, because the Perplex, even though it's square toe, I love some square toe. Square toe heels are very flattering on wide foot also. But the Perplex that makes this, it's a very hard Perplex, so it's kind of a bit uncomfortable even though I went up a size. So I would suggest you go up about 2 sizes if you're gonna get this if you have wide feet. I absolutely love the square heel chunky detail. These are also super duper comfortable. I can definitely see myself wearing these to dinner or something, and not having to like take them the hell off because they're so uncomfortable. So I love these. Heel detail is these cream or off-white heels. I actually haven't worn these yet. I actually just tried them on, in this haul. And they're from Public Desire. As you can see, I love a good square toe detail. It's fox leather and it has gold detailing. The gold detailing right here is what sold me, and also the heel. And I don't have a lot of white or off-white shoes, so this is cute, especially off-white and white with gold detail. It is not very easy to come by, especially in women's shoes. You normally see a lot of silver. I don't know if it's because it's easier to make or what, but when I saw the gold detailing and this lock on here, I was like, it's a go. This is also very comfortable. I haven't worn it out for any period of time to see if it's comfortable for a prolonged amount of time, but when I do, I'll definitely update you guys on that. It also have the triangle chunky heel detailing, which is super nice, which also makes it comfortable. Then these ones, these are the heels that actually got me on their website. When I saw these are orange, they actually comes in pink and another color. When I saw these orange heels, okay, I clicked on the website so fast. These shoes look amazing on, especially with this gold detailing at the front. When I saw it, my eyes saw hearts, okay. And then the heels are gold. They're tiny heels also, and it's a bit strappy in the front. I will say after prolonged wear, the straps on here kind of get a bit tight and uncomfortable. So I would definitely suggest you go up 2 sizes if you have wide feet. If you have narrow feet, I would definitely say get 1 size up. So these are amazing. They're super cute, and I've been loving orange. So yeah. And then these ones is another one that I got. These are a nice chocolatey brown, which I love. It has gold heels. This is also one of those thin heels, and this is, I'm not gonna say it's comfortable, but it's okay to walk in. I find that like my toes kind of slip through these grooves right here, and it's a bit on the narrow side, so I went up a size. I definitely suggest you go up a size. But these are super cute, and these are actually the cheaper version of a Fenty shoes. Rihanna's clothing line has some shoes that look similar, and they cost like $3,000 or something like that. And I think Public Desire kind of knocked off her shoes for a cheaper, more affordable version. So, and it has these that tie up your leg, and these are actually very comfortable depending on how tight you tie them. These I haven't worn yet, but I'm planning on wearing them very soon, especially for some pictures. But these are super cute, these bad boys right here. So out of all the shoes that I got from Public Desire, these are the shoes that I was most excited about. On the website, these are a 10 out of 10, okay? Everything. If you know me, you know that I have a heel from Ego that have the same detail, and every time I wear that shoes, I always feel like a princess. You know how Cinderella lost her shoe at the ball, and this was the type of heel that they used in the cartoon? This right here always made me feel like a princess. So when I saw this detail, and then I saw the front, and then I saw the strap, so I was like, it's done, it has to go in the bag. So I'm kind of a little bit disappointed. I'm going to tell you why I'm disappointed. The straps right here, the silver part, I feel like this should have never stopped right here. It makes the shoe look very cheap right there. I feel like it should have come all the way to the end right there. And also these do not stay in place. They're very flexible, and I guess they made it flexible to help people when they're strapping it around their legs, but it needed some firmness to it because the silver detail on this do not stay in place. And then the bow tie on the front, super cute, and I love the colorful detail right here and the square toe detail. This was another shoes that I wore on my birthday with the white dress and the pink bag, and this is personally my husband's favorite shoe, so you can take that one. I guess he has good taste because this was the one that I was most interested in and most excited about. But there's a few details that needs to be tweaked, but they're definitely wearable, and they translate perfectly. They translate amazing in pictures. So let's talk about shipping. Their shipping, I actually got it in 5 business days. In their website it says 5 to 7 business days, but I got mine in 5, and I ordered I think 6 pair of shoes, and they came in pairs. So all of them didn't come on the same day, and all of them did not come together. So I got two. So I got 3 packages with 2 inside. So if you're going to be ordering multiple from Public Desire, just know they're not gonna come in one box. All of them are gonna come in their separate boxes, and they're gonna come with their separate duster bag, and they're going to come separately. All 3 of my packages came on 3 separate days, so be careful of that. And I would suggest if you need your shoes quickly, you do the express shipping, because I feel like I would have definitely got mine in like 2-3 days if I did the express shipping. And the only tip I have for shopping on there is if you are wide feet, definitely go up 1 size to 2 sizes depending on the style of shoes and the material that they make. If you are a frequent shopper of like Ego, then you know that it translates the same Public Desire because they're 2 UK based companies. All in all, I had a great experience, and I feel like I'm definitely going to be shopping more at Public Desire because their shoes are very trendy, but they put small little details in there that makes them different. For example, these shoes right here, these orange mules, they are very trendy. Mules are very much in for the summer, but the strappy detail and then the gold detail at the front is what makes theirs stand out a little bit, makes them a little bit different. So if you want something that's trendy but still going to stand out, definitely check them out. So that is my review. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.